You see on my description, type on the profile. My Instagram is Naomi Hamarlin. That's Naomi. Hamarlin is Jamarolin. Hello. Good morning, Amanda Sharis Maya. Hi to Fabeska Cabral. Uy, hi. Shout out. Like, no, Vincent. Please respect to my live, guys. Don't make any naughty comment. Why do you sleep in the content? What is concept? Why don't you sleep? I don't know. What's that? Hello. Bobo. It's not easy to read your names. Bobo Safari. Bobo Maldas. Hi. Where's the Americana? Americana? Who's that? Americana Senior. What's the name of my Telegram? But I think it's Naomi. My Telegram and my Instagram is Naomi Umar. That's it. Please, if you message me, I have there the link and my profile account in on my YouTube at the top. You can click there my description about. You can see there almost everything you can see. Your Instagram, yep, that's my Instagram. Americana Senior. Later we will talk after my live. Hello Miguel Morales, hi. Hello Wati AB, hi, hello. Shout out. I go my live about 30 minutes only, guys. Remember that, because it's when it's 1 hour, it's too long. My go. I get up. True. Hello. Hi everyone. Hi to Rice or Rojob. Hi. Hello to Mots Kadaji. Hello mom. Hi. Nawati Abbey. Telegram name. I think it's some. I don't know, but you can see there on my profile. Hello. Hello mom. Hello. Hello Happy Commercial. Hello Yendi na Soshan. Please speak English, guys. I don't understand other language except Tagalog and Bisaya. I only understand English. I will send request. Please accept my. Okay, later. What's your name on your Instagram? Americana Senior. You are from US. Super Americana Senior. Or just here in now my life is just talking, making shout outs and knowing about me and knowing also about your. Yeah, please. Hello to my 100 viewers. Please like and comment and also subscribe. I hope Senior American Senior, can you please join my membership? I have also there my super stickers is available on the screen. You can buy super stickers there. Hello Decca Ananda, hi. Hi Dennis Kumar, hello. All-in-one from where are you there? From Philippines, hi. From Quezon Cosnadi, hi. From Indonesia, hi to you Dennis Kumar. Hi Shibe. Hello Decca Ananda, hello. Instagram will send you. Okay, later after my live I will answer your question about me, whatever. Hi, 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 hi. Hello, Rodi Hasnan. Hello, Samit Dash. Hi. I hope you watch my upload videos there during to washing clothes. It's a carrot.